welcome to this video. I'm Prajwal from InstaCrypto, and inside today's video we are going through a tutorial for the newly launched InstaCrypto mobile app. Now you guys may have already seen InstaCrypto being featured on InstaCrypto. The CEO of InstaCrypto, Vikram, has been featured on InstaCrypto in many occasions, even in the weekly meetings and other videos. Now they've recently launched their new mobile app, and let me quickly take you through what are the features of this mobile app and how it works for you guys. So for the guys who don't know about InstaCrypto is basically a non-custodial exchange. So what do you mean by a non-custodial exchange? A non-custodial exchange is where the exchange doesn't provide you any wallet, any exchange wallet for themselves. You would be responsible for creating your own wallet, and once the transaction is done, they would go ahead and just send the crypto directly to your wallet. Now I have always been an advocate of storing your own crypto, because in cryptocurrency, if you don't own the private keys, then you don't own the crypto. So in majority of the exchange wallets, the exchange themselves own the private key. So in case there is a hack or any kind of issues, your cryptos will be lost. So it is always recommended to create your own wallets, store the private keys, and back up the seed, and be responsible when you're investing and storing your crypto. So this is the website of InstaCrypto, where we can see the mobile app. At this point of time, they only have the app for the Android. They have not yet come up with an app for the Apple yet. So here are some of the app features: clean, simple design, instant transfer to your own wallet, low fees, and here are some of the screenshots of this particular app. Now at this point of time, they are allowing people to use their app for a limited period of time without any KYC for small amounts. I think the amount is up to 10,000, and they are using a UPI method to do the transfers. So let me quickly go ahead and take you to my mobile screen, download this app, and show you how it works. So welcome to my mobile screen. So the first thing we'll do is go to the Google Play Store and search for InstaCrypto. So you'll usually find it as the first link. So this is how the logo looks like, and it says early access because they recently launched this app. So I'll go ahead and click on install to install this app right away. Okay, so the app is now installed. I'll go ahead and open this, and this is how the home screen of the InstaCrypto app looks like. So they currently have 3 cryptos listed. One is Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. They have the buy and sell option, and the prices are displayed accordingly here, and you can go ahead and enter your INR value with whatever you want to buy, or you can also enter the crypto value accordingly, and I think the INR value is calculated, and then you would have to enter the wallet address where you want the crypto to be sent. Now if you don't have your wallet created already, they also have a list of wallets that you can download from the Apple or Google Play Store, and then create your wallet, set up your wallet, and then come back and enter the wallet address here. So the one that I will be using for this tutorial would be a Zapid wallet, which I already have installed on my phone. And let me go back to the InstaCrypto screen, and the first thing you may have to do is go ahead and log in. If you don't have your account created, go ahead and enter your email address and create your account. There's no KYC required at this point of time for orders less than 10,000 rupees through UPI. So I already have logged into my app. So let me go ahead and do a transaction and show you how it's going to work. So I will go ahead and select, first thing I'll select Bitcoin Cash, and then I will go ahead and do a transaction of 1000 rupees worth of Bitcoin Cash. So I've entered 1000 in INR and it's giving me the adjacent Bitcoin Cash value. Now I have to enter my Bitcoin Cash address where I want to receive the Bitcoin Cash. So let me go back to Zapit wallet, and so this is my wallet. I'll click on receive. I'll copy the Bitcoin Cash address. You can either copy it from here or here, both would be the same, and it'll have a Bitcoin Cash tag just before the wallet address. So just ensure everything's fine. Just in case if you type any other value apart from the Bitcoin Cash address, I think it will not accept it. Okay, so it doesn't allow us to enter, it only allows us to copy paste. This is a very good thing because considering the complexity of the wallet addresses, it's always recommend to copy paste rather than you trying to type, because it's an alphanumeric string and there's high chances of you getting it wrong. So once I have my wallet address entered here, I'll just click on next, and that's going to go ahead to the next screen where the network fees and the fees of InstaCrypto is also added, and that would be the total INR that I should be paying. So for 1000 rupees worth of Bitcoin Cash, I'll be paying 1000 rupees, 1005 rupees 0.34 paise, which is good enough. And again, they're displaying the Bitcoin Cash address here for me to verify. So let me quickly verify it. So everything looks great. So I'll go ahead and click on continue, and then it takes me to the payment screen where I can complete the payment with UPI. So here are some of the UPI apps that they have listed here. I can choose any of them. So they have a huge list actually here. So I will go ahead with Paytm UPI and complete the payment. So that's the screen where it says Twarithanayana Services International Private Limited. So that's the company which the InstaCrypto is owned by. So I'll just add this message just for my reference as BCH transaction. Yeah, and I'll continue to the payment page and enter my PIN and complete the payment. So that's great. So the payment is successful. I've redirected back to InstaCrypto app saying the order is complete. So let me go ahead and close the screen. Now all I have to do is go back to my Zapid wallet and see how quickly I'm going to receive my Bitcoin Cash. So at this time of recording, it's around 2:52 p.m. in India. So let's see how quickly I'm going to receive the Bitcoin Cash now that I've done the transaction on InstaCrypto. So that's great. Within 1 minute, I've received my Bitcoin Cash into my wallet. Now there may be a small change in the value of Bitcoin Cash because the crypto value changes from exchange to wallet to wallet depending on what pricing they follow. So I had paid around 1000 rupees. So on Zapit, I think because of the price respect to a different graph or different API, the value is showing me here is 961 rupees and 50 paise. So that's how quickly I received my Bitcoin Cash. Now if I go back to the InstaCrypto app and go back to my orders, I can see here this is the completed order. So I do have all the details like the transaction ID, which Bitcoin Cash address, and even the order ID. So that's basically how we can go ahead and place order on InstaCrypto app and receive the Bitcoin Cash. You can even do transactions on Bitcoin and Ethereum in the same way. So in my next video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and sell your Bitcoin Cash and receive funds to your account. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was informative. So do let me know if you have any questions regarding InstaCrypto app or wallet, and if there are any other questions that you want me to answer, please leave them in the comment section below and I would love to answer them. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.